And why am I saying dynamite? Because वो red है,
वो रेड नहीं है, वो सैफरन है.
वो saffron है actually. और अगर ये रोल अच्छा नहीं लगा तो क्या बोलेंगे?
Et tu Caesar.
Et tu brutes.
It's as competitive and as amazing. And just
And
look at the size.
Portion size. This is one roll in a naan. Full marks. I asked for little kashundi. I got in a plate.
Now I feel like we are at a Bengali state.
Oh, this is not Dijon mustard.
शाम की भूख मिटानी हो तो वैसे तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, लेकिन अगर वो बड़ी वाली भूख हो तो रोल्स इज अ ग्रेट आइडिया.
And this is our episode on 3 different type of rolls. तो चलिए देखते हैं rolls part 2 में हम क्या खाते हैं. तो हम आ गए हैं GTB नगर
गुरु तेग बहादुर.
Bahadur, which is like the hub of the Punjabi / Sardar community
Yes, in Mumbai.
in Mumbai. तो obviously खाना तो तोड़ फोड़ होने वाला है.
तड़का मार के जबरदस्ती
Yes.
होगा. And the place that we are going to is right next to a Gurudwara, भाई जोगा सिंह गुरुद्वारा.
गुरुद्वारा, and इसको कहते हैं, this is called Street 528.
दो अमेजिंग रोल्स हमारे सामने आ चुके हैं. वन इज अ चिकन भुना एंड द अदर वन इज अ बटर चिकन. कौन कौन सा है?
And it's very hot. ये तो चिकन भुना है. चिकन भुना and butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Okay, it's super sumptuous, massive sized roll. Specialty is यहाँ के रोल नान में होते हैं. भुना चिकन रोल which is in a naan.
और ये है बटर चिकन रोल, also in a naan.
ये देख के आप समझ गए होंगे कि ये कितना न्यूट्रिशियस है, क्योंकि इसके देखते ही मेरी हाइट बढ़ चुकी है. And now I'm like थोड़ा
खाने के पहले हाइट बढ़ गई.
Wow. Normally, I struggle to break a naan with my hands, but in the roll format, it's
और मैं
so easy to break and so easy to bite into.
मैं honestly बताऊं, I was not sure about a naan roll because हमको वो आदत है ना मैदा and soft and this thing,
The soft tortilla or the roti.
or the classic रुमाली रोटी. Quite a मिंट चटनी में डिप करके
So, I'm actually loving the concept of eating this in a naan because I'm actually able to enjoy the naan without its chewy texture, which I don't like.
नाइस ना.
Chutney is to die for.
अभी ये
Exchange
एक्सचेंज
time.
करेंगे. बूना रोल. नहीं, एकदम अलग है.
Yeah? अभी तक मैंने ये खाया नहीं.
तो ये भुना जैसे होता है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी होता है. पंजाबी स्टाइल भुना चिकन है. हाँ, अलग है ना, बहुत अलग है.
ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट अलग ही है. बहुत फर्क है. बहुत डिलीशियस.
बट मुझे भुना रोल बेटर लग रहा है.
मुझे भी भुना रोल अच्छा लगा क्योंकि it goes better with this spicy chutney.
ये मैंने तो ट्राई नहीं किया.
I don't feel like dunking this Swedish
Butter
butter
chicken.
chicken in this chutney. The chutney has a alag zing when you eat it with the bhuna. But let me try with the
Must
chutney. Anyways. तो काफी समय से हम रोल्स ट्राई कर रहे हैं. We've had at Ayub, we've had Kolkata rolls.
रात को आफ्टर 12 AM भी किया है
Had rolls.
और जनरली बहुत सारे
We've been rolling with
Rolling,
rolls
yeah.
for a while. And ऐसा लगा था कि अब और कितने रोल खाएंगे, maybe we won't find anything different or novelty, but this is really great. I would like to come back here and just enjoy it by itself. If on a day I wanted to eat rolls, it's as competitive and as amazing. And just
And
look at the size.
पोर्शन साइज. दिस इज वन रोल इन अ नान, तो मतलब वो सॉलिड पोर्शन है.
Yeah, and it's well stuffed, very generously stuffed. No too many frills.
हाँ, सॉसेज नहीं है, चीज नहीं है, मेयो नहीं है, कुछ नहीं
चटनियाँ
है.
कुछ अलग नहीं है.
कुछ
There's
नहीं.
one preparation.
Yeah.
There's the butter chicken. There's the bhuna chicken, slapped inside the naan.
Inside the naan,
in
absolutely.
good quantity and rolled. And
And
that's about
also
it.
one thing, ये बहुत fresh लग रहा है. It's not like kept aside and this thing. So we were told by our producers कि वो अभी उन्होंने ग्रेवी भी अभी स्क्रैच से बनाई है, चिकन भी अभी बनाया है. So it's great. Full marks for that.
Yes, so if you're in the area or if you want to drive separately to GTB Nagar, if it's never on your route, it's totally worth the detour, है ना?
पर गाड़ी में मत लाओ, पार्किंग ही है.
हाँ.
तो हम हैं के रोल्स पे, विच इज
काठी कबाब रोल.
काठी कबाब रोल्स, और ये हम दोनों का इलाका है. दिस इज लोअर परेल. शी इज वर्कड एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, सो हैव आई. तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है चिकन सीजर सैलेड रोल. और अगर ये
ये है-
रोल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा तो क्या बोलेंगे?
Egg tube Caesar.
एट टू ब्रूट्स. ओके,
अच्छा, ये है burnt garlic soya chop,
सोया चाप.
which is quite unique. अलग है
या
कुछ.
इट इज
And इसका जो यहाँ पे सॉस है, it has a fabulous burnt garlic flavor.
एंड इट्स अ लिटिल स्वीट.
Sweetish burnt garlic, very different. ऐसा रोल में नहीं खाया मैंने कभी.
और ये जो द रोटी ऑफ द रोल इज मल्टीग्रेन और एकदम क्या बोलते हैं
खुश्क है.
इसको? खुश खस्ता.
खस्ता खुश,
Maybe not.
flaky.
ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ मलबारी पराठा.
Let's go for it.
Oh wow.
This is so unique. The soya chop is soft and juicy. Sorry, but I've never enjoyed soya chop this much.
And so is this. Got the Caesar salad, which is not too overpowering. The chicken, oh, this is very good.
This is loaded with flavor of the burnt garlic, and in a cheesy format. I've never eaten it before. Try it. It's really good.
Soya chop. Oh,
So unique and different, right?
you're not really missing the protein. No, protein तो है, but you're not missing the chicken in this,
At all.
because the burnt garlic is doing the job. It's carrying the flavor of the, or rather the whole roll का flavor is
Yeah,
the burnt garlic. And I think burnt garlic में थोड़ा सा उसने onion gravy use किया है.
probably.
Yeah, तो वो
इसमें
इतना
उसको
sweet
ऐसे
नहीं होता ना.
caramelize दिख रहा है. The crunch of the lettuce is marrying so well with the
True.
chicken. That's
And
making
the
a
roti,
difference.
and the roti is
yeah.
fab.
It doesn't feel like a multi-grain roti. It's a
Lovely.
multi-grain roti.
We have one more dynamite looking roll. And why am I saying dynamite? Because वो red है,
वो रेड नहीं है, वो saffron है.
वो saffron है actually. ये पेरी पेरी चिकन रोल है और पेरी पेरी तो दिख रहा है पूरा.
My guess is अच्छा खासा
Yeah.
तीखा होने वाला है. Oh wow! I must say this place is differentiated by its roti.
For sure. And also the flavors, मतलब ये like the burnt garlic, the peri peri, even the Caesar salad,
Wow.
chicken.
It's not a very traditional tasting roll. It tastes quite contemporary and a little fusion, if I might say so, but in a good way.
In a good way. There's no confusion in the fusion. And ट्रेडिशनल नहीं है, बट साथ में ये जो रोटी है दैट गिव्स अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल फील टू द रोल. Bang on.
Satisfying meal
Very, very, very
for
satisfying.
the taste buds, for the hunger, and in general, superb experience.
But if I have to choose, I really love the burnt garlic sauce.
I loved it because it was so different, and burnt garlic with the soya chap. I wouldn't have imagined, but they've done
Same
it
here.
really well.
तो रोल्स ढूंढते ढूंढते हम आ गए हैं डीएन नगर स्टेशन, मेट्रो स्टेशन के नीचे टू भीमा कैलकाटा रोल. एंड आई हैव द चिकन एग रोल, और प्राची के पास है उसका फेवरेट बैदा रोटी, और व्हाट इज इट्स कॉल्ड ओवर हियर मुगलाई पराठा.
But it comes with a whole lot of
Yeah.
accompaniments. There is like this amazing looking fried aloo,
their version of aloo bhaja,
some salad, kashundi.
kasundi.
Now I feel like we are at the Bengali.
Oh, this is not Dijon mustard.
So going for the egg, chicken, Mughlai
Mughlai
paratha,
paratha.
also known as Beda roti,
Yeah.
with kashundi and ketchup.
And I'm going for the chicken roll.
Kashundi ketchup combination is quite deadly.
It's a yummy roll, but
But there's a but.
it's not a Calcutta roll.
So what about it is not Calcutta?
It doesn't have that tangy feel to it. It doesn't have the huge chunks of onion
Oh,
and the capsicum and all that. वो ऐसा chunks नहीं है, but it's like maybe 60% there. But it's got huge chunks of chicken. But tasty तो है. Tasty तो definitely है.
so the fact is that Bhima came from Calcutta to Mumbai in 1995. So he does bring an original Calcutta recipe that belongs to him. It may not be like other Calcutta rolls, but I think this has been here for many, many years. And a whole lot of Bengalis in this area swear by it. और अंधेरी वेस्ट
Oh,
में
yeah.
बहुत बड़ी बंगाली कम्युनिटी है. They have a massive Durga Puja. So I would say that उनकी तरफ से acceptance मिला है उनको.
Full marks. I asked for little kashundi. I got in a plate.
A plate full of kashundi.
Yeah. वो ये kashundi
The kashundi actually by itself is really
nice and pungent लिखा. It's a yummy roll.
I know what you mean. I'm missing the crunch of the capsicum and the onion, which should have been slightly raw.
Raw, yeah.
That is definitely there, but given that, it's a delicious roll, no doubt.
Oh, मेरे को ये पराठा better लगा. No?
So if you're not looking for authenticity, but you're looking for a really good roll, you should definitely come to me.
For sure, yeah. Eventually ये भी रोल ही है, but ये अलग फॉर्म में है.
Sorry. I want to eat the fried aloo with the kashundi.
मुझे भी गिरा.
ये एक बंगाली फ्लेवर है.
बेस्ट. पता है हमने जो रोल्स वाला पहला वाला एपिसोड किया था ना, कुसुम रोल्स किया था, इट्स मच बेटर देन दैट फॉर श्योर. इवन टेस्ट वाइज इट्स मच बेटर देन दैट.
I agree.
You know what's missing? The use of ketchup is missing. अब
I
समझ
think
में
the
आया.
crunchy capsicum is missing very
क्रंची
much.
कैप्सिकम एंड अब समझ में आया कि वो जो केचप डालते हैं ना कैलकाटा में वो मिसिंग है.
So on that note, मुझे लगता है कि हमको next Calcutta ही जाना चाहिए to really taste the rolls and give a more appropriate
Fair
review.
judgment.
Fair judgment. Time for rating.
Yes.
Street
5 to 8.
528.
Buna chicken roll 7 out of 10. Butter chicken roll 7 out of 10.
Okay, Bhuna chicken roll 8 out of 10. Butter chicken roll 6 out of 10. Then KK rolls,
KK
Kati kebab rolls, lower
yeah.
Parel.
The Caesar chicken salad roll 8.5. Peri peri chicken roll also 8.5. And the burnt garlic soya chop 10 out of 10.
Wow,
It was fab.
Mohit gives 10 for the veg one,
For the sauce.
for the sauce.
Yes.
Okay, for me, the Caesar chicken roll was a 9 on 10. Burnt garlic 10 on 10. Peri peri 7 on 10. And
Bima
Bima
Calcutta
Calcutta roll.
Chicken and egg roll. It was a tasty roll. So 8 out of 10.
Yeah, same for me, 8 out of 10.
And Mughlai paratha 9 out of 10. Because
Mughlai-
it's slightly better than the Beda roti of Bombay.
True. It is among the better Mughlai parathas that
For
I had
sure.
eaten. And because of that amazing kashundi on the side, 9.5.
Oh yeah, 9.5.
And the aloo.
9.5, yeah, right. I changed 9.5.
This is how we rolled on our episode on rolls.
And if you want to keep rolling,
We can
This
do
is so cheesy.
part 3, part 4
Yes.
on a variety of rolls. आज हमने जो खाए, we had a naan roll,
naan,
a multigrain,
multigrain roti,
roti, and
And
a
the classic
rolled maida
roti roll.
Kolkata roll. So let us know of more awesome rolls that you might have found in your gali, nukkad, mohalla, and we'll be happy to cover them.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe, and comment.
और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में
क्या है? I'm like peeling a banana.
अरे
इसके अंदर Okay, there's more. There is more to the
okay,
roll than
please,
meets the
someone please
eye.
open this.
It's like an unboxing video.
हाँ,
Yes, man. Okay, there. I got it. I got it.
Wait. You have to go. I got it on camera. Oh, it's so hot that it's.
Stuck to the paper.
You love it.
You can ball. They think that.
Wow.
यहाँ से फाड़ना.
But this will be enough for a bite, I think. और
Yeah.
पूरा निकालना है.
नहीं.
हाँ, बहुत नहीं. ये पूरा गिरे इधर.
नहीं.
कौन?
मुझे
Yeah. Yeah. Reasonably dead. थोड़ा मत.
I'll start. May I start?
हाँ.